Hey everyone, it's Ann from What's Up Homestead again, and I am doing a little experiment. So if you see this, it is successful, and if you don't see it, you'll never know. But I have got some big okra and some that are smaller. So I'm just going to dehydrate it because I'm going to have plenty over the next month. So I thought I would just dehydrate some for a snack and see if it turns out. So all I've done was wash and cut off the tips of each one, and I've cut them in half. And I'm putting them over here on my dehydrator. This is a larger one, and hopefully I can tell the difference if it works or not, because all these are smaller. But I've just cut them lengthwise, and after I cut them, I'm just going to sprinkle some salt and maybe some onion or garlic powder over them. So I'll get this loaded and show you what happens next. Okay, I have 3 trays. I'm going to season mine with some salt and some onion powder and garlic powder. And I'm going to set it on. Just going to shut the lid. I'm going to plug it in, and I'm going to put it, mine is, got 160, 145, 135, 125, 115, 105, and 95. I think I'm going to put mine on 135. So I'm going to plug it up, put my seasonings on there, and then I will check back periodically, and I'll bring you along and see what it looks like. And then we will test the final product, and hopefully it's really good as a snack. So I'll bring you back. Okay, this is the next day, and these are done, and they are awesome. I've been snacking on them since I put them in there, so there's not as many as there would have been if I would have left them alone and not snacked on them. But they are delicious. They're crunchy like a potato chip, and they have that okra flavor, even more concentrated than regular okra. I can't tell you I can't even describe how good it is. So you need to do this. And I've got more okra here, and I'm going to pile some more on and cook them today too. So my advice: get you a dehydrator, get you some okra, and make some chips. So I hope you'll try it.